In order to care for the natural environment and the citizens of member states, the European Commission introduced a set of political initiatives called the European Green Deal. The aim of this package of initiatives is to achieve climate neutrality in Europe by 2050. To achieve the above, the goal is to build ecological awareness among society. Implementation of pro-ecological practices by companies, regardless of their size, and then promoting the introduced changes among society is one of the factors influencing the improvement of the quality of life of European Union citizens in the natural environment. In this respect, it is important to build an appropriate and effective green marketing strategy. To support companies from the MSME sector in acquiring eco-competencies, a training scenario was developed for MSME employees, including management and managerial staff, in the field of building a green marketing strategy, creating advertising campaigns in the eco area, as well as effective communication and customer support in making sustainable decisions. Decision. Welcome to the workshops on green marketing, i.e., marketing focused on environmental protection. Today, you will learn how sustainable development can influence your company's and consumer decisions. Let's start with a few key concepts. Green marketing. Marketing activities that promote pro-ecological attitudes and behaviors of both consumers and producers. Greenwashing. The practice of misleading customers by promoting products as green